Hi everyone, my topic is induced biochemical defense in plants. How do plants defend against bacteria that enter the cell? Plants have a general response to infection, antimicrobial molecules, that secondary metabolites, phytoalexins. Plants respond to specific infections through the hypersensitive response, PCD. A rapid accumulation of reactive oxygen species directly kills the pathogen. An induction of defense gene, pathogenesis related protein. And next, plant defense response, hypersensitive response, production of reactive oxygen species, cell wall fortification, production of antimicrobial metabolites, defense signal transduction, synthesis of enzyme harmful to pathogen, example chitinases and glucanases. Next, plant defense response, compatible interaction disease and incompatible interaction resistance. And we have three aspects of response. First, hypersensitive, second, local, and third, systemic. And this is the diagram for classes of resistant proteins. Next, gene resistant. For resistant to occur, complementary pair of dominant gene, one is the host and another one is pathogens, are required. Incompatibility, a loss or alteration to either the plant resistant gene or the pathogen virulent gene leads to the disease. God hypothesis, an effector acting as a virulent factor has a target S in the host. By manipulating or altering this target, the effector contributes to pathogen success in susceptible host genotypes. Effector perturbation of a host target generates a pathogen induced modified self molecular pattern which activates the corresponding NBLLR protein leading to ETI. And this is the diagrammic representation of God hypothesis. Next, programmed cell death. Programmed cell death is a genetically regulated process of cell suicide that is central to the development, homeostasis, and integrity of multicellular organisms. Apoptosis. Programmed cell death. First normal cell and then it turns into cell shrinkage, chromatin condensation, and then membrane bleeding, and then nuclear collapse, continued bleeding, and next apoptotic formation, and at last lysis of apoptotic bodies. Next, purpose of cell death. Cells that are produced in excess, cells that have no function, cells that are produced in excess, cells that develop improperly, cells that have finished their function, and cells that are harmful. HR is nothing but hypersensitive response, a rapid localized plant cell death upon contact with avirulent pathogens. HR is considered to be a key component of multifaceted plant defense response to restrict attempted infection by avirulent pathogens. A rapid within 24 hours, not always needed for resistant. Hypersensitive response also contributes to the establishment of the long-lasting systemic acquired resistance against a subsequent attack by the broad range of normally virulent pathogen. Next, hypersensitive reaction includes oxidative burst, production of reactive oxygen species, disruption of cell membranes, opening of ion challenge, cross-linking of phenolics with the cell wall component, production of antimicrobial phytoalinins and PR protein, and apoptosis, programmed cell death. Next, the hypersensitive response. Bacteria like Pseudomonas syringae inject effector proteins, bacteria avirulence, and the virulent proteins into the plant cell using the type 3 segregating system. Plants that are resistant to the bacteria have resistant protein that recognize the effector proteins and cause the infect cell to commit suicide, apoptosis or PCD or hypersensitive response. Prevent the bacteria from infecting the rest of the plant by directly killing them and depleting nutrition. Next, major findings: pectic enzymes, toxins, extracellular polysaccharides, curorum sensing, cell-cell signaling, and global regulation of virulence. The type 3 segregation HRP pathway. First, pectic enzymes. Soft rod Erwinia species, multiple isozymes, some plant regulated. Toxins. Example, coronative acts as a JA mimic to down regulate late plant disease. Extracellular polysaccharides, important in many diseases, especially vascular diseases. Postulated roles in protection from plant derivated antimicrobials, osmotic stress, desiccation, evading recognition, causing wilt, etc. Curorum sensing, cell-cell signaling, and global regulation of virulence. Soft rot Erwinia species, regulation of virulence, associated gene including pectic enzymes. Cell wall degrading products elicit plant defense, so benefit to repressing pectolytic activity until high number of bacteria accumulate. The type 3 segregation HRP pathway, essential for necrogenic gram-negative pathogen. The HRP pathway, a type 3 segregation pathway broadly conserved among gram-negative pathogen of plants and animals. Macromolecular structure, HRP pylus acts as a conduit for traffic, and it's also called as a needle complex in animal pathogen encoded by clustered HRP genes required for hypersensitive reaction and pathogenicity. Expression included in plants and in defined mammal media, capable of delivering proteins into host cells. Segregates and delivers effective proteins. They are virulent factor and avirulent factor. Next, hypersensitive reaction versus disease. And in disease, chlorosis and necrosis. Chlorosis is a common disease symptom in pathogen infection in which the leaf tissues appears yellow due to the loss of chlorophyll. Necrosis is nothing but a common slow developing disease symptom caused by necrotropic pathogen. Tissue necrosis appear at very late stage of the disease development. And the hypersensitive response. Host cell recognize the bacterium and initiate programmed cell death to restrict the growth of the pathogen, which thus does not cause disease. And this is the plant disease diagram. And plant disease and plant resistance. Interaction, pathogen and plant host. Interaction, compatible and it is disease, and for pathogen it is a virulent, and plant host, susceptible tomato. Incompatible, hypersensitive reaction, pathogen avirulent, plant host resistant, tobacco. Systemic acquired resistant. SAR is a mechanism of induced defense that confers long-lasting protection against a broad spectrum of microorganisms, enhanced resistance against subsequent attack by a wide array of pathogens. The vasculate provides an excellent channel for transport of systemic signals. SAR takes 24 to 48 hours to start, can last for months, involves gene activation and the transmitted signals. Gene includes chitinases, beta-1,3 glucanases, other PR protein. Complex signaling network orchestrate different type of plant inducible defense to prevent microbial growth. Pathogen recognition triggers a number of rapid cellular responses including ionic challenge and phosphorylation cascades which precede the accumulation of reactive oxygen species, nitric oxide, and the salicylic acid, and the transcriptional activation of defense related genes. Interplay between reactive oxygen species, nitric oxide, and salicylic acid contributes to the establishment of hypersensitive reaction. Salicylic acid also has a key role in establishing local and systemic resistance to many virulent biotropic pathogens, whereas jasmonic acid Ja and ethylene Et are more often associated with resistance to necrotropic pathogens. Considerable interactions occur within and between these hormone signaling network, resulting in an overall mutual antagonism between salicylic acid and jasmonic acid or ethylene signaling. And SAR can also be transmitted to the next generation progeny, and this is the diagrammatic representation.